Adding a web part. This tutorial explains essential information associated with how to add a web part. First, let's explore some of the editing functions that are important to note prior to adding a web part. Start by selecting Edit from the ribbon at the top of the screen. This will show you the basic page layout with your existing content placed in the templates zones. The zones are created by the template that is chosen, which is a dynamic layout. A dynamic layout means that the layout and its content will shift when the screen size adjusts. This is sometimes referred to as responsive design. An example of a dynamic layout is observed when a computer's browser is reduced and the page adjusts to the new browser size, or when the page is accessed through a tablet or smartphone and the page adjusts for viewing on the smaller device. Be aware that each zone has different sized web parts, which may impact how your site's content appears on devices and monitors of different sizes. For example, Zone 1 has a single web part that stretches all the way across the page, while Zones 2, 3, and 4 are symmetrical columns taking up a third of the page width. It's always a good idea to check how your content appears on a few devices of different sizes, such as a desktop with a larger monitor, a standard-sized laptop, a tablet, and a mobile device. To add a web part, choose the desired zone and select Add a Web Part. This opens up the Page tab on the ribbon. You are by default shown the Apps pane with the parts on the right. These are standard page elements that you can add to your page if you are starting from scratch. However, let's assume that you've already created your page and added the basic apps. Now you want to scroll down to the Media and Content folder and open it. As you saw when scrolling down to the Media and Content folder, you have various web part types to choose from, and each does perform a specialized task. However, choose Content Editor now, which is a generic web part that allows you to add content. Click Add. You will see the new web part appear on your screen. It has the template's style applied with the blue banner and the generic name of the web part. Now you're ready to add content to your myPGCC page.